Welcome, welcome. Today's Thanksgiving, and there's lots I want to say, and we're going to get started first with why we did what we did on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's a classic holiday, and for many of us, we just want a great classic, something to throw on. And probably one of my favorites for a long, long time has been a black top and jean bottoms. Jeans and black. It just looks great together. It doesn't matter what you wear, it doesn't matter what shoes you wear. That's the beauty of it. You can just throw on anything you have to wear, black on the bottom, shoes, jeans, and then a black top. It's slimming, it's great, everybody loves a pair of jeans, and it is, again, like Thanksgiving, just a classic combination. So we have a fabric that we got, and it was proposed to me that it was an ITY. And of course, you know, there's many times if the designer has labeled that fabric a certain amount or a certain name, I kind of default to them because I feel like, gosh, they know what they're talking about. It's an ITY. However, I took it, and I'm talking about fabric 2851. And I felt it, and I didn't think it was an ITY, but I thought, we're going to go with it. So we put it up as an ITY. It was really well priced. That is not an ITY. ITYs don't burn. This is a rayon. It's 100% rayon, so you can see it burns. You can see it has a white smoke, and then when you blow it out, it has that nice afterburn. This is 100% rayon knit, so $28.51. We put it on, it's a sale price. I think it's $7.99 for Black Friday. It's an incredible price. It's an incredible opportunity for you to have really nice fabric and just try something new with. So I thought I'd make two tops, and I did. I made two combinations, both that would be great with black on the top, and then of course jeans on the bottom. So the first is the one I have on is Kendosas, and because it's the holidays, I just decided to add a little sparkle to it. I'll show you how to do that. And the other one is 112, which is Casey's 5-way top. With this, you could put a little holiday outfit under it, but again, remember, great jeans. So this is the 5-way top. This comes in, and it can just go over the neck. Go like that. You can spread it out a little bit, go like that. You can take the middle. This is all in the pattern. It shows you how to do all of this in the pattern. You can twist it, wrap it over the neck. It is just a great, kind of, I think it's a companion piece to go anywhere with, and you can make it in all kinds of fabrics. This again is just a rayon knit, so this black goes with so much of what you're wearing. So I wanted to show you that 112. The one I have on is Kendosas, and what I did is I just put a little bit of our crystals. The crystals are also on sale, and I wanted to show you a little bit on how to use these when you're dealing with a neckline. And again, it's fabric 2851. The pattern I have on is 197. I put a little belt with it, but you don't need to. You guys know this is just a great little top. Nina Kendosa is a designer out of Paris, and my niece went to Paris, came back with this top, and I said, I gotta have that pattern. So that's how we got it. So with the crystals, when you get them, you're gonna have mesh on both sides. So all you do is cut them off on one side. It doesn't matter which side, because you can either put them this way or you can put them that way. So it doesn't matter. Just cut off one side. Then on the other side, what you're going to do is you're going to reduce it about 1/4 of an inch because it's just too wide. So remember, 3/8 is better than 5/8. So you're just going to reduce it, and I cut off like 2 rows. You don't have to be able to see. Just hear what I'm saying. Just reduce it down. However, once you reduce it, it still won't bend because this netting is woven. It still isn't going to bend around a neck edge. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in like every 6 crystals, and you're just going to clip vertically through the netting. And so what that allows it to do now, as you can see, that allows it to curve. And so what I did is when I was sewing the 2 pieces together, the top, if you've made this, I know many of you have this pattern, you do the overlay and then the base. We put it together. You put the wrong side of the base to the right side of the base to the wrong side of the overlay. It's in the instructions. You do the crystals, and then you can flip it out, and then you've got this nice little holiday look. And the crystals are on sale. I don't know what they are, but you only need a yard. So you can do this, and you just get a great classic holiday outfit for just not a lot of money, and it will fit great, and you will love it. It's not a lot of sewing time. The whole goal is to love what you sew and get really excited, and then of course actually have it work. That's the goal. So I want to, in conclusion, say to you, thank you. It is difficult for me to say thank you because it is so heartfelt for me. You can measure success in a lot of ways. If we look at PBS and we look at a 250% increase as to the viewership we're now on, if we look at sales and we're 20% over what we were last year, it's just not success. Success to me is when you all know what you're doing, you know why you're doing it, and you understand before you start how to get this successful product. That is success. When we all can communicate on a level that is so profoundly intellectual that you understand why I'm taking a dart and what I'm taking a dart, and we're not just following dot to dot to dot to dot. And I know for many of you, you're still following dot to dot, and that's okay. But what I love about sewing and what's kept me here for so many years is we're always learning and we're always progressing and we're always getting better. There will be failures. Of course there's going to be failures. But from every one of those failures, we're going to learn and we're going to get better to where we can make outfits that we love, because sewing is a hobby I love. And all I want to do is give you accurate information and make sure that you understand what you're doing. So from all of us at Silhouette Patterns, happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I love you all. Thank you so much for what you've done for Silhouette Patterns. I could not be more grateful. Happy Thanksgiving and happy sewing.